Hey everyone! Is to make sure you're running Minecraft version 1.2.1.7. Open the Minecraft launcher. This is important because shaders and mod tools are version-specific. Next, we need to download the Iris Shader Loader. Save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated shaders folder. Now let's pick a shader pack that works with Iris. Go to modrin.com/. Some of the best ones include Complementary Shaders, BSL Shaders, and Sildur's Vibrant Shaders. Download your favorite. It should be a zip file. Most players already have Java, but if you don't, version of Java, install it and restart your computer if needed. If you try opening the Iris installer and it doesn't work, you might need to fix your jar file associations. Go to johan.loefflmon.net and download Java. Run it once and it should fix any .jar launch issues. Now that you have Java ready, double-click the Iris installer file you downloaded earlier. A window will pop up. Select Minecraft 1.217 in the version dropdown and click Install. Create a new Iris profile inside your Minecraft launcher. Open your Minecraft launcher again. In the version dropdown, select the new Iris Minecraft 1.217 profile that was just added. Shader Pack Folder. A folder will open on your computer. You now have beautiful shaders running in Minecraft 1.2.1.7. Enjoy your upgraded visuals. Thanks for watching.